Hello everybody, and today I'm going to be showing you on how to add a double jump system and a zone that disables it with cool UI and effects. So first things first, this is the double jump, so you jump once and then you can double jump and you can do it again. In this system you can customize on how high you go in the double jump, so I can make myself go like very high or like lower than this. You can also add as many extra jumps as you want, so if you want to add like 10, you could like do like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, continuing. Now for the zone that disables it, the way this works is if you enter, you turn red for a bit to indicate that you are in the zone. If you try to double jump, it says this text. You can also customize this text. I'll show you how to customize the main parts in the script. If you head out, turn green for a bit, indicating that you are outside the zone. So yeah, let's get into it. So this is actually very simple. So the thing is, my comments are actually disabled until October, so for a good while. So if you need help to join my Discord server, it's in the description and in my YouTube bio. And for the script, you're going to want to join the Discord server as well. And then when you join, head to the scripts channel. It's going to be a link that is non-expiring, so you can just join the server whenever you want. Then view the whole file, and then just copy all of this. Then you're going to want to go back to Roblox Studio, go to Start Player, and then Start Player Scripts, and then add a local script. If you want, for organization, you can name it Double Jump, and then just paste the script, Control A, and then Control V to paste it over, and then you have the script inside. Now let's click play. So as you can see, we can jump, double jump and stuff, but we're still missing the zone, so I'll tell you on how to add that. So let's stop. Alright, so first things first, you're going to want to add your zone, so part, and then move it to whenever you want. So let's say if you're making like an obby in this like a specific part where you don't want someone to double jump and like cheat, you know, because you don't want them to cheat. So you just make your zone. See, if I have like a obby right here, I'll just like make it cover the entire thing. So this will be my zone. So I'll just probably make it transparency 1, but for testing purposes, I'm gonna make it 0.5, and then disable all of these, and make sure it's anchored, because if it's not, it'll just fall down the map and you won't be there. Then you want to go back to the Discord server and then copy this double jump zone and go back and then just name it that. As you can see, we can double jump, but if we enter the zone, we become red for a second and we cannot double jump here, and if we go out, we become green, we can double jump again. Now I'm going to be telling you on how to customize the script a bit. So if we go in the scripts, this will be our extra jumps. So if I add like 5 and I make the extra jump power like 100, if I play, as you can see, I can jump that many times, but I also go very high because of the jump power. And if you want to change this text right here, so if you go in here and then if you want to change that, you have to go all the way here, and then you can customize it right here. So that's about it for the tutorial. Obviously, join the Discord server and give me some suggestions in the server. Tell me if you guys need any help, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah, that's about it.